Okay, first of all, good morning everyone and welcome to the third myeloma patient forum. Now we started this forum about 3 years ago actually with a small group of patients and their family carers who have undergone treatment and are survivors of the disease. And at that time, we were holding a very big hematology conference in Singapore for the first time. And as part of the conference, the International Myeloma Foundation people were here. So we thought that was a good opportunity to use them as a frontage to raise the profile of myeloma in Singapore, as well as to start to form a core group of patients and their caregivers to have the basis of a patient support group. And I think since then, the numbers have been increasing, really exponentially. I'm very happy to see so many of you here, and so many of you who have been here for the last 3 years continue to come. That in itself is a good sign because it means that you're doing well, you're surviving well, and we see many new faces as well. And that's one of the objectives, is to continue to raise the profile of the disease in Singapore, increase awareness, and provide a foundation for patients and caregivers to know about the disease and to handle difficult issues that may arise. I think another important thing that has happened in the last year is that we have now gotten ourselves a ring leader. Helen there is a very enthusiastic, motivated, very motivated survivor. She has actually started to organize every 2 months, a smaller group meeting alternating between Singapore General Hospital and NUH, where we only have one speaker and a smaller, more cozy, interactive type of situation. And this is a very positive development because my aim always is that for patients eventually to really take charge of this support group, because this is after all for their benefit, for patients like them to benefit, and it shouldn't be something that is primarily driven by the doctors or even by our sponsors and so on. It should be coming from the patients themselves. And so I hope that this is a positive development that will continue to go, and more patients will participate in their activity. And I hope that in the future they will be even in a position to do fundraising, to provide advocacy. There are difficult issues facing the patients with expensive treatment and so on and so forth. I think if we have a stronger voice, we will be in a better position to get better support for our patients. So, over the course of today, you'll hear some patients sharing their experience. We'll have a chance to interact with one another, with doctors as well, if you have any questions about the treatment or how things are going. And you'll hear some talks from the three of us. Some of this will be repeating things that we may have mentioned before, but it's always good because we have new people coming in to introduce the disease and to give you the appropriate background. And we hope at the end of the day that you will both be entertained and educated and go away knowing more about myeloma, feeling more confident about your treatment and your chances of having long-term good outcome. Okay, welcome again, and I think we'll get the ball rolling.